everybody, it's Mrs. Yost here. I'm looking for all the mathematicians out there. If you have been tuning into Facebook and YouTube, you would have seen Mrs. Hoover read a very cool book on 2D shapes. And so I would like to expand with some really fun ideas and things that you can do for learning at home. The first thing, I sent in an email a link to a 2D shape hunt. You can play this lots of different ways, but today I'm gonna say if you want your parents to print this out and you can play along and look for these shapes when I'm reading this book, and if you do, you can trace it with a marker, pen, pencil, crayon, or paint it with a Q-tip. While I read, you can be a shape hunter and look for the shapes. The other way to play this is have your mom or dad print it out. When you have some extra time, go around the whole house, and every time you see something that is a certain shape that's on this page, you can trace with a pen, marker, crayon, or highlighter, whatever you have at home, and be a shape detective that way. So there's two ways to play with this. Okay, now I'm going to read for you The Shape of Things, which is an awesome book all about the kinds of shapes that we see in the world. The shape of things. A square is just a square until you add a roof, 2 windows, and a door. Then it's much, much more. A circle's just a circle until you add some lights, chairs, highs and low, round and round they go. What did it become? Something we love to ride in the summer. A triangle's just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky, a seagull passing by. Are you seeing any of the shapes on your shape hunt page? Or maybe you're waiting till later to play. A rectangle's just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a track, a red caboose in the back. Look at those rectangles all in a line. Choo-choo! An oval's just an oval until you add a nest, a wooden house, and then a patient mother hen. What is that oval underneath the hen? Is it an egg? A diamond's just a diamond until you add some string, wind, and a tail, some friends to help it sail. What did that diamond become? You can fly it on a windy day. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see. Now I want you to look at this picture for a little while, and I want you to see if you can find all of those shapes that we talked about. Can you find them in that picture? Take a look. All my mathematicians and shape detectives will be having a good eye. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? I'm going to leave it on the picture for a little while for all my shape detectives to find a circle, a triangle, an oval, a square, a rectangle. Can you find them? All right, now I'm going to show you some shapes and sing you some songs about them. The first 3 shapes we have songs about. The rest of them we'll just review because these are the ones we're learning first. Let's take a look at this shape now that we read about them. What is this shape? Let's see. It has 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 corners. Those corners are also called vertices. So 1, 2, 3. Is it a triangle? Let's sing about a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's see what shape's going to be next. A circle. What do we know about a circle? Well, a circle goes round and round. There's no corners and no sides. Let's sing about a circle. A circle is like a wheel. A circle is like a wheel. Round and round it never stops. A circle is like a wheel. And now I have one more song. The next one that's in the beginning of our Unit 7 is what is it called? Is it an oval? An oval, once again, has no sides, and it looks sort of like the number 0. Do you remember at the beginning of the year in my class, I went around and gave everybody nothing. I gave them 0 of something. So an oval sort of looks like the number 0. So let's sing about an oval. An oval has no sides. An oval has no sides. It looks like a 0. An oval has no sides. Let's see what other shapes I have. I don't have songs for them because they come a little bit later in the unit, but what shape is this? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. Does anyone know the name of this shape? That's right, it's a square. If you said a square, you're right. Let's look at the last one. This looks kind of similar. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But let's notice something about this. Are all the sides on a rectangle equal? You're right, they're not equal. The top and the bottom are equal and the sides are equal, but these sides are longer and these are shorter. That is how you get the shape of a rectangle. Remember in our book, the rectangle made the train cars. So this is a rectangle. I hope you have fun with our shape activities, and I hope your mom and dad can print out, let's see if I can get here it is, my shape hunt paper for you to play along at home or to go on a shape hunt in your house. And I hope this is a fun lesson on shapes for all my mathematicians. Goodbye, mathematicians. I'll see you again next time. Bye.